Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. So as you can see behind me, we've got some brand new equipment. This is the ProAlign 2 by Hunter PA200. So it's a full four-wheel alignment laser alignment machine. So you may know that whenever we do a vehicle, when we lower the suspension or fit wheels, we generally have to reset the suspension because all of the geometry has changed. Traditionally, we're tending to send those across town to a couple of different subcontractors to do. They tend to use like a super tracker product, that sort of thing. What this is, the Hunter is the official VW accessory. So what we've done, we've invested in this equipment. It's one of the more expensive systems. Guys have all been trained up, and now we offer this as a service. So Will's going to start on this brand new RS7R now. We're going to do a full alignment on this vehicle. This has had full ab suspension and also a set of 22-inch HR wheels. So this all needs adjusting as we speak. Not only could we do these vehicles, so everything we bring through the workshop, our own vehicles and our customer vehicles we're converting, obviously we'll include that as part of that package. On top of that, if you're a local dealer or independent or just a customer, you can also bring your vehicles down if you want an alignment check. At a small cost, we can put it on there and we can make all the adjustments you require. So as I say, Will's going to get on with this now. If you'd like to put that in, just give the team a shout in the office and we can get that sorted for you.